Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Bella. If you're new to my channel, you're very much welcome. If you're my subscriber, welcome back. So today we are glowing once again. Guys, I'm sitting right by the window. It's so sunny and beautiful today, but it's so freaking cold outside. So I am so happy that I'm leaving this cold environment and going somewhere. Oh, well, I want you guys to leave in the comment section where you think I'm traveling to. My vacation officially started today and I couldn't be more excited. So I want to take you guys with me and we'll start by packing. So I want to show you guys how I pack. And yes, if you're my subscriber, thank you so much for watching my videos. Thank you so much for your support. I really appreciate it. If you're a new subscriber, thank you and you're very much welcome. And if you're new to my channel, kindly subscribe. If you like my content, leave a like, leave a comment down below, and let me know where you think I am gonna go to next. Okay. So yes, without further ado, let's get right into this video. So guys, this is how the chaos is looking like at the moment. I've literally just thrown everything into the suitcase and yes, but yeah. We'll just start from somewhere, okay? So I ordered something from Amazon and I think this is gonna help me to pack a little better than I always do. So let me just show it to you guys. These are like travel pouches. I'm sure you've seen this before, but yes, I ordered this on Amazon. These travel pouches come in 8 pieces. It's 8 pieces in the order. There's the biggest, like it's different sizes. This one is gone to wherever it came from. But yes, I got these travel pouches from Amazon. I will try to look here because I kind of tend to look there. But I got this from Amazon and I've already put some stuff in one of it. I'm just gonna try to bring some order into this chaos and hopefully fit everything in the suitcase. And yes guys, so I'll be traveling for 3.5 weeks and like I said, I'm really excited because it's getting really cold here. It's winter and yeah, like it's literally almost winter. It's winter, it's cold, it's freezing. Okay, anyway, so let's get into this. First, I'm just going to put everything in order, like separate everything that I want to put in one of these pouches. That's what I'm gonna do first, so let's get going. Guys, I'm already tired and I haven't even started. Oh my god, seriously. You know what? Let me go get some wine. Maybe I'll get the energy to do this. I'm back. Guys, this is like the most stressful part for me. Packing is just so strenuous. I can't even begin to explain. So yeah, but let's just start, okay? I probably will have to get rid of most of this stuff, but yes, I'll start with this one. I really don't know how much these pouches can hold, but we're gonna put it to the test, okay? So first I'll leave the bulky stuff out, fold the tiny ones into small pieces, and then see how much this can fit, how much we can fit in here. This is starting to look good. So this one is slightly bigger. I think I'm gonna put the dresses in here. Like it even comes with a tiny lock. Open it and close it. So yeah, you're gonna use that. It's gonna be useful. Again, some process. I'm not really folding this clothes. I'm not really folding neatly, but like just making it into small balls so it fits into these pouches, you know. Looking nice. Amazing. Okay, next I'll put the jumpsuit in here and whatever else fits in here. Okay. That fit is so good. I'm really getting excited about this. I'm getting, you know. Okay, so next, I already put in some stuff in here. This is my gym stuff, and I'm gonna put in my nightgowns, my sleeping stuff in here as well, because I still have some space here. So just remove everything and reorder it. Guys, look how I've cleared this couch in like a few minutes. This is amazing. Like, if you don't have these pouches yet, get you some. I'll leave the link down below in the description bar. I got them from Amazon. Like I said, it was like, I think 30 something euros. It wasn't that expensive. I'll leave everything in the description bar below. Go get you some, because this is fun. It's making packing so much fun. I can't. Okay, so let me just show you what we've already packed already. That's one. Those are the dresses. Those are the jumpsuits and the blouses. And this one was these are my skirt sets and my trouser sets. Okay, so next I think I'm gonna pack some shoes, and then we'll see from there. So, my makeup stuff and my my cosmetic stuff is gonna come in here. I got this from Guess. It's comes really in handy. Put everything here. I'll put the beauty stuff and the skincare, like all the skincare stuff will come in here. I'll show you guys in a minute. This dress is kind of bulky, so I think I'll put it in here. So just, it's nicely, you know. So there's this tiny cosmetic bag as well. I don't know how much stuff can actually fit in here. It doesn't look that big, but it has some pouches inside. Yeah, I'll try to put some stuff in here and see what fits here, what doesn't. So guys, I think I'm gonna use this for the shoes that I'm sure I'm gonna take with me. I'll put all the shoes in here. I'm not carrying much shoes. These are the shoes I can repurpose and reuse them every time. This will come in here. The second pair is this kitten heels. They'll come in here as well. And then I have some, you know, dress up flats. These will come there. As you can see, I like glitter. I can't go anywhere without my Maasai sandals. There they go. And some neutral browns. These are always good. There. Let's try and close this up. This might get tricky because the shoes don't really budge, you know. Let me try to turn them around like that. Okay. And they fit. The only sport shoes I'm gonna carry is the one I'm gonna put on, because we're not struggling at the airport, girl. We have like so many bags where I can put like tiny cosmetics in. There's this one, there's this one, there's this tiny one. So we have a lot of choice. And then I have this one. I'm thinking what to put in here. I think I'll fit in this. I'll try to fit in this in here. So this definitely has to come. Okay, you're good. So good. Wow, well, that went faster than I thought. Okay guys, so let me just finish up, clear this suitcase so we can put everything where it's supposed to be, and then yes, I think we'll be ready to go for this vacation. Importantly is, do not forget your passport. You know, this is what you need to move around, so don't forget the passport. And then we have the vaccination certificates. I have them on my phone in the app, and I also have the printed version of it, so you know, just in case the phone goes off, you never know. And I also carry around the vaccination booklet, which I'm not gonna really show you because it's really old and it's embarrassing to show it to you guys. So yeah, this is how it looks like. Anyway, yeah, and I put all that in this pouch, this beautiful pouch. I got this probably 6 years ago, and it's so good quality, and it's lasted me, it served me so well. So yes, let's travel, let's go. So that brings us to the end of the video. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Leave a comment down below, let me know where you think I'm going, where you think my next destination is. Subscribe to my channel if you're new to my channel. For the returning subscribers, thank you so much. Leave a like, share this video, and I will see you guys in my destination. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.